Hey everybody, how's it going? So today this is going to be a quick quick introduction to the channel for this Ryobi P3320 hybrid fan. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Elevator didn't go all the way up. I'll see you guys there. What is up, everybody? Hope you guys are having a great rest of your day so far. So this is going to be the introduction to the channel on this Ryobi P3320 hybrid electric plug-in-the-wall as well as cordless 1+ battery fan. I have a full detailed video as well. That video puts, compares this fan to the DeWalt Tough, or not the DeWalt, but the Tough, but the DeWalt job site fan, as well as the very end of that video I show this little guy, which I bought 3 of, which are very nice little fans. I bought into the Ryobi line for the oddball items that other companies do not have. I don't technically plan on buying any hammer drills or impact drivers or ratchets or anything like that. Who knows, maybe in the future. I do have plenty of hammer drills and impact drivers and electric ratchets, but so this says it will run 12 hours of runtime on a single charge. I'm pretty sure that's probably with them talking about a 6 amp hour battery. I got all the $99 Ryobi Day kits for the batteries, so I ended up with 6 batteries, got 3 free tools. This was one of them. I got the orbital sander, the 10-inch orbital sander free, and I got this little precision rotary tool for free. I bought the full-size rotary tool and the 2 grease guns, and I bought 3 of these fans, the little 4-inch clamp fans, separate. I want to say real quick that please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out, scratch that, don't need to check that out right now, I'll do that at the end. But this is a pretty nice fan. I do have a battery plugged into it. It does have a few features. There are a couple oddball features to me, in my opinion, and well, that it's kind of, I guess, in the price point. This is a $59 fan, I think, normally, so you don't get as many robust mounting features as, say, that DeWalt right there. So this you have where you can literally put a screw through this and it can hang from here. You can use the actual hook portion. You have 4 holes that these are not quick holes where you got the oblong, you could slide the screw through it and then just slide this on and slide down and lock it in place. Those are not that type. These holes, you literally have to put the screw in on this side and permanently mount it to the wall. So this will not just quickly disconnect from the wall. And it does have these little hooks right here on the side as well. Probably hang it from rope and a couple other items. And the reason I'm saying that, just to let you guys know, is because certain fans and certain price points give you different features. So this fan with this 9 amp hour flex volt battery is actually 10 pounds. This fan with a 4 amp hour is 4 pounds. So you got a 6 pound difference. This one's got a more of an oblong or octagon shape. This one is round. The DeWalt is a little bit bigger on the fan blade. Not by much, maybe by 1.5 inches or so. Take this battery out real quick. I'm gonna flip this upside down. So this one has quite a bit of mounting options. So you have 1/4 I believe this is a 1/2 or 3/4 by not really sure what the thread pitch. It's coarse thread pitch for this one, so it's probably like 3/4 or 1/2 inch by 24, something like that. You have the quick attach where you can put 2 screws in the wall, one on either side, and you can just slide this down quickly. You have that in two different directions on the back and the back and the front, as well as you do have hooks on this guy, metal hooks that slide out, that they rotate. They don't turn to the right on this one, but if you turn it to the left, it will rotate and it will lock this direction. So there's a couple other ways to mount it. This one has more robust mounting features. The Ryobi is definitely louder than this guy, from what I've noticed. So if I slide this to 9 amp hour, and this one's pretty close. I think the 12 amp hour is probably the max. The 12 amp hour flex volt is probably the max you can put in this guy. It doesn't scrape the fan at all. This has detents, where this one smoothly just moves, and it's held by tension. So they are a little different. This one is definitely not as loud as the Ryobi on high. And this one also has a variable trigger for a speed, not trigger, but a variable knob. Where that one just got a low, off, or on. You know, you flip a switch. So this is high for the DeWalt. And to the left of the Ryobi is high when it's facing it. That's the Ryobi. You can definitely hear from here. I don't know if the audio is picking it up, but the Ryobi is definitely louder, especially with me having the camera over here. The camera is actually about right here. The Ryobi is over there. The Ryobi is about a foot and a half, 2 feet away. That's the Ryobi on high. Turn this one off. That's the DeWalt on high. The DeWalt does feel like it pushes out a lot more air, but it does have a bigger fan. Just figured I'd give that quick demonstration real quick. So the price difference between this Ryobi right here and that DeWalt, as an example, is a significant price difference. And the reason being is, you know, you're getting a lot more mounting options on the DeWalt, so that probably might be why they're pushing the price up a little bit. This is $59 normally, not on sale. This DeWalt bare tool with no battery is $119 normally. Also have the little Ryobi 4-inch clamp fan as well that I can pop a battery on real quick and demonstrate that for you guys as well. So low, which is quite a bit of airflow. I don't know what the cubic feet a minute on this are. This fan, it doesn't say, but this fan on the box, on the packaging, it does say that this fan is 180 cubic feet a minute, I believe on high. It doesn't say which mode it is, high or low, it doesn't say. So this is low. Feels like maybe 80 cubic feet of air a minute. This is high, which I could see about 180 cubic feet a minute. It is a nice fan. This one is quite loud as well on high. And the information, and the reason I still have the packaging for the 4-inch, I had it sitting on the floor. It says cubic feet a minute, or CFM, is over 180. So it says over. So the high could be 195, could be 200, I don't know. I might get a wind analyzer, and we can analyze what each one of these fans does in an upcoming video. If that's something that interests you guys, let me know. I can go pick up one of those wind analyzers, and we can test the output of what they are actually doing, if that's something that you guys would be interested in. This is a nice fan. I am going to be picking up the misting fan as well as the air cannon, the 18-inch air cannon. Ryobi is the only one that makes a battery operated and corded fan where you can actually plug it in with electric hybrid or battery operated. Ryobi's the only one that makes one in an 18-inch round style. You know, so they call it the air cannon. I'll pick up one of those and we'll take a look at it. I want Ryobi for the oddball items. I got two different rotary tools here, or Dremels. You know, I got the P305 and the P306 glue gun we're going to be looking at. We got the orbital buffer. I have buffers from Milwaukee and a couple other people as well. But these are the types of tools that are oddball that not everybody has. I am going to be picking up the 45-watt soldering iron station from Ryobi as well. That's 79 bucks. I hope this video is helpful. Please give me information on maybe what Ryobi tools you would like to see on the channel. I don't know if I'm going to pick up the 40 volt in Ryobi either, but you know, who knows? This is you know, I do a lot of tools on this channel. I possibly could pick up some 40 volt tools in the future. If you guys want to see, like, you know, drills go head to head, you know, if you got a spare tool, something that you've replaced, feel free to contact me in the comments. You know, if you want to send it to me for testing, where I can test it against other tools, let me know. And you know, if you guys want it back, I'll send it back to you. If you guys want me to just test it on a video, let me know. I'll do put it head to head with Milwaukee, Bosch, Makita, and several other brands. So I want to say like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And Ulsa Tools link at the top of the description. That will get you 10% off your order at Ulsa Tools. And one last thing, I want to say thank you to all the people that like, comment, subscribe, all the people that are subscribed, that watch, the people that like and dislike, the people that aren't subscribed, people that watch the ads every once in a while on the videos, as well as use the affiliate links. You guys are the reason the channel is monetized. We got Ryobi tools now for the 18 volt line. So we could put them head to head with other brands. I got, if I ever get 40 volt, we can test the 40 volt. I believe there's an 80 volt from Ryobi too, or something else. I don't remember. I know Home Depot carries 18 volt and 40 volt. The other tools I have are 12 volt and 18 volt fuel and non-fuel. So brushed and brushless Milwaukee tools. We got Metabo HPT 36 volt and 18 volt, so 18 volt and 36 volt multi-volt. We got Metabo 18 volt tools. We have DeWalt 8 volt, 12 volt, Extreme, 20 volt, XR, 60 volt flex volt, and 120 volt flex volt tools that we can test. We got Bosch 18 volt core. We got Makita 12 volt, 18 volt, and 36 volt X2, as well as we're going to be bringing the 40 volt and 80 volt Makita tools to the channel as well. I need to pick up some Sheetmaster jaw horses for the channel, as well as for personal use, and we're going to be buying some wood with the channel money, and we're going to start doing head-to-heads against different brands of hammer drills. I also have Bosch Stick 18 volt, I have Earthquake XT 12 volt and 20 volt tools, as well as corded Makita, corded Black & Decker, corded Porter cable, corded Bosch, and several others that we could test. So if that interests you, smush the bell notification icon for future updates and videos. Leave me comments if you guys have anything that you would like to see. Let me know. If you guys want to send me a tool for testing and want me to send it back when I'm done testing it for videos, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help in any way I can to provide you guys more content. Hope to see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!